So area and volume, we're asked to find the height when we're given the volume. So we can say volume, just write down your formula pi, 4 squared h. So in this case, 48 pi is equal to pi times 4 squared times h. Your pi's can cancel straight away. So 16h is equal to 48. So h is equal to 3, going sideways, not normal. In this one, 2826 is the volume. So you can say 2826 is equal to, we're told to take pi as 3.14, pi by the radius 10 squared by the height. So the height in this case is going to be 2826 divided by 100 times 3.14, which is 314. And there are 92700 and 126. There are 314. So the height here is 9 meters. And in C, we're told 277.2 is equal to pi. There must be some cancellations. 22 over 7 pi multiplied by the radius, 2.1 squared by height. So we can throw straight into a calculator. We can say we'll multiply by 7, 277.2 by 7 if we cross multiply. Maybe don't take too many steps at the beginning. What are we left with on the right? We're left with 22 by 2.1 squared by h. So 277.2. Rather than using your calculator too much, you can just type all of this in at the end. Is equal to h. So h in this case is equal to 20. There would have been some cancellations within that question. Find the radius here of each of the following cylinders. Again, just dealing with cylinders in this video. So the volume, we're given the volume and the height. So pi r squared h, I'll just jot it down again here. So we have 12 pi is equal to pi times r squared times h. So you can see here, if we cancel the pi's or divide across by pi and divide across by 3, we're going to get 4 is equal to r squared. So r is equal to 2. It can't be minus 2. In this one here, we're told to take pi as 3.14. So 5425.92. Just as I'm writing equals pi r squared h, and we're told pi is 3.14 or squared by the height, which is 12. I'm looking back at the previous question and seeing the sneaky examiner has put a 3 centimeter and a meters cube. So I'm going to change this guy to 0.03 meters. So over here the 12 would have been divided by 0.03, giving this guy 400 instead of 400, and or would then be 20 in terms of meters. So 0.03. So this one here, if we divide 5425.92 by 3.14 times 12, we're going to get what r squared is. So r squared is 144. So r in this case being 12 centimeters. And in the last one, again, they've just changed the question. Again, read the question carefully. It's a really common mistake for really any kids of all levels, but particularly kids who are working really fast and their brain is kind of seeing one step ahead. They may not see this question at the beginning here. Is the curved surface area of a cylinder. We've done a couple of sketches in previous videos. If you imagine the top of the cylinder is somewhere along the line here, we know that the length of the circle is 2 pi r, so this has to be 2 pi r. This is h, so the CSA, the curved surface area, 2 pi r times h. So in the case of this one up here, 2 pi r h is equal to 77, which is equal to 2 by 22 over 7. by or, what do we have to find? The radius. So we have height is both centimeters. Yeah, we're dealing with centimeters and centimeters. So by or by 1. So what's that going to give me? 77 times 7 divided by 22 by 2 is equal to or. And that would give me 7 over 2 by 7 over 2 is 49 over 4. 49 over 4, which is 12.25. Is that right for this one? 12.25 centimeters. So another one of these videos, finding the unknown, where the unknown is not the volume or the area, it's now the radius or the height.